got another left turn at a traffic light. In case you're new to these FSD Beta videos, if you can see this blue icon right here, then you know the car is driving itself. Here we go, we've got a green light. Let's just see if I'm gonna give a little jiggle into the steering wheel. Good, again, another great left turn, and it did not jump lanes. We will have to get into the right lane eventually, based on where we're going. I noticed that the car is driving at 50 kilometers an hour. I'm not really sure if that's what the speed limit is